Hello everyone, Quickle Pickle here, and today I have a very special guest.
Hi guys, I'm Crafty Cabbage, and this is a collaboration video. Check out my channel, there will be a link in the description box.
That's right, and on his channel there will be a collaboration with me. Anyways, today's video is on the history of the ukulele. With that said, let's get started.
In the 18th century, guitars and lutes were both very popular. However, in Portugal, they had an adaptation on the guitar, the machete, which looks very similar.
Portuguese immigrants in the 1800s brought the machete with them to Hawaii. The machete was adapted into the ukulele. The first people credited with creating the true Hawaiian ukulele were cabinet makers Manuel Nunes and Augustus Dias.
In English, the word ukulele roughly translates to jumping flea. It is possible that this is due to the movement of the player's fingers.
The ukulele quickly became very popular among the Hawaiians. It became the national instrument because at the time, Hawaii was its own nation. In fact, King Kalakaua was a passionate player of the ukulele.
Traditionally, the ukulele is made of Hawaii native wood, koa. This wood is associated with Hawaiian royalty. Thus, the ukulele was associated with royalty. Despite this, any wood can be used. Some examples are oak and pine. Some ukuleles are even plastic or other materials because they are even cheaper than wood.
The ukulele almost always has 4 strings made typically of plastic. There are also many different types of ukuleles. The soprano ukulele is considered the standard. However, there's also the concert, bass, tenor, baritone, and more.
The ukulele became popular in the United States mainland as well. Western music was a very popular music played on the instrument besides tropical.
And thus, the ukulele has become one of the most popular instruments in the world. Many people have become ukulele musicians, including my great friend Crafty Cabbage. Thanks for watching.
Check out my channel, Crafty Cabbage. I make DIY tutorials and ukulele song tutorials.
Check out my website, quickle-pickle.com. There are exclusive videos currently there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time on Quickle Pickle. Goodbye!
Goodbye!